All right, so here is some of the remnants of the fence, 383 feet of fence. So we'll have to dispose of this somehow. I'll show you the other stack and then we'll talk about all the stuff that required to get this fence out and kind of where we're at the moment. So here's the other pile. Basically we have to fence off this whole backyard. So some of the fence posts came out without the cement and we had to do a lot of hard labor to get that cement out. So my back is still recovering. So we'll show you some of the holes that we have and the posts that we put up so far.
You can see here that some of the cement did come out, but they had used hardly any cement, so the fence was all wonky and leaning. And so we're gonna put more cement, wider, larger diameter of hole, and more cement. So the original fence was back here, the hole was back here, and so we had to move the fence line in so that we would be in line with our neighbor's fence. So we put this fence post in first, and then we went down to the other end with a string line and put that corner post in. And now that these are set, we'll go ahead and put a string line so that we can line up all the rest of the holes, because the rest of the holes are out a little bit wider than where they should be.